Okay, so I did a really quick eyeshadow look with my eyeshadows and step 6 illuminator. And this one you can use with a soft fluffy brush like our blend brush, or you can just use your fingers, and I want to show you what it does. So it gives you that little extra bit of shine, and you just put it on this area of the top of your cheek, not too far up because you don't want to accentuate fine lines, but just enough to give you that little extra something when you move your face. And you can also put it at the center of your lips or at your Cupid's bow, kind of give that extra shine to make it look like your lips are a little bigger. You can also use it under the brow. And then I told you that the nose contour wouldn't fully come together until you could see the illuminator with it. And it is what makes it pop. So illuminator isn't required for your 3D face, but it definitely is the cherry on top. It's so good. I love it all. Save each step so that you'll be able to go back and refer. I'm obsessed with Seint makeup. I had used everything before, was spending a lot more money. As of today, each of these things are $16 each. So your foundation is $16, your concealer is $16, your contour is $16, and your bronzer. So this is how you get a 3D face, easy peasy, quick, and everything in just one palette. So no makeup bag needed.